Have you ever struggled to find the perfect playlist to match your mood? Or maybe you want to share your favorite music with a friend, but you don't know where to start. So creating a Spotify blend could be the answer. It's fun, it's simple, and it's going to change how you listen to music. So basically, here are 5 tips to make your perfect Spotify blend. Number 1, you're going to pick your best music partners so you can blend music with your friends or your family to make a playlist that's unique to you both. The second thing is you discover new songs. So blending lets you find songs that you haven't heard before, all while keeping your favorite tunes. Third thing, let Spotify do the work. Spotify uses an awesome algorithm to create mixes based on both of your music choices. Fourth thing, share your blend. Show off your playlist with friends and get their reactions. And the fifth, mix it up. You can create a new blend anytime for fresh music. Feeling excited yet? Don't wait. Get started today. Like this video, leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tips. Love ya.